Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and this is episode 50 of PhotoForge. On today's episode, we're going to be taking 5 photos, and each one of them is a conceptual, surreal, or fine art style photo, each with some heavy Photoshop, which I'll highlight on throughout the episode. I want to give a huge thanks to our models for coming out, my friends Sara and Kira. They were incredible, so be sure to follow them. I'll have their tags at the end of the episode. So without further ado, let's head to Rattle Snake Lake and start snapping some shots.
For our first photo, I ordered 2,000 flower petals and had a model lay on top of them. I used a ladder to get an above perspective shot. Our third shot was completed by getting our base shot with our subjects and then a shot with our arrows separate. For the fourth shot, I had our model sit in a tree stump, holding an egg with feathers scattered around her. For the actual photo, I shot low angle, pointing up. To begin editing, we first duplicate our base layer and add an unsharp mask to the image. We duplicate the layer again and add a blur to the image, erasing the blur from the subject and the foreground of the image. After that, we begin coloring by first using a black and white layer, lowering the opacity below 14%. Next, we use a selective color layer, focusing on the blacks, neutrals, and whites of the image. Following that, we continue to use selective color layers for each individual color to create the look of our image. For instance, we change the color of the hair by using several selective color layers, masked to only fit the hair, until the hair is a similar shade to that of the rest of the hair. After that, we use several more selective color layers to get our final look, and then we're done.
Well, that does it for the 50th episode of PhotoForge. You can follow my channel here for more videos like this. I want to give a big thanks to our models, Sara and Kira. You can follow them here. Both of them are awesome, so be sure to check out all their amazing work. And lastly, a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, you sign up with BayPhoto Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.